Do you guys want to say something for do you guys want to say something to Abraham? You want to say happy birthday to Abraham?
Huh?
Do you guys want to say something to Abraham?
Happy birthday.
Okay. Yeah, happy birthday, Abraham.
Open it.
Marcus, you want to say something to Abraham?
Huh?
Want to say something to Abraham?
Abraham, you're my brother and I love you.
Happy birthday, Abraham.
Come on, let's dance. I'm gonna drive, okay?
Huh?
Hey, happy birthday.
Getting wild in here. Do you want to say something to Abraham? Do you want to say something to Abraham?
Hi, Abraham. This is the first time meeting you. Happy birthday.
That's our class president. Hiding. And Abraham is our vice president. Vice president. It's a video. And that's one of our hosters. We're the hosters.
Fuck, I did that? I can't believe that.
Ariana. Betty, y'all better look cute, because you never know. Can you just take these three of us and say we're the hosters? Alyssa, turn around. Oh, no, you're not. Oh, yeah.
What happened?